Alright, hey guys, but what I was gonna say in the last video is this, but I want to show you what our movement script or mouse look script looks like. It's kind of like this. See, it's like more than 200 lines long, but yeah, this is what it looks like, which is difficult and I wouldn't recommend it. So we're just making our own simple move our player. And what we can also do, right, we have like m, no caps, m equals 1, and then if we put here m, we're gonna have that 1 speed, which is fast but messed up. I'll show you it later, but for now we're just gonna do this, which I can't do it because let's see what toggle system constant says. So line 9, which is our main, and line lols. I forgot for left. This is supposed to be a W right there. So let's explain that function that we can use again. So m equals 1 and so see, it goes really fast and we don't want that, so we're gonna keep it at m, but we're gonna put 0.1 like that, so we have an easier way besides writing this. So yeah, now let's add these, and then we have to recreate 2 of them because we need our movement, which is this. We need the rotation like this, stuff like that, but we're going to make 4 of these right now. Copy, paste. Now I don't know why it does this, but it usually messes up. You can fix it easily. Just watch out. We're gonna put negative right here, and we're gonna make this S. So now we can move forwards. Here, I'll just put it like this: forwards, backwards. We can't move left, right. So we're going to add another one. Let's move our main down. We're gonna add another one. Paste. Because I like keeping like a little more between it. Paste, so like that. It's more organized. And don't do that through F statement. Okay, we're gonna make this A, putting M right there, 0, and we're gonna put right here, but make sure it's a negative M, because we want to go like this way, which is what we can do. But we can't move right because we haven't added the D. We need the D. Yes, everyone laugh. Okay, so we're gonna copy line 30. We're gonna paste, like that. We can just get rid of that negative, and we can, right after when I do that, now we can go forwards, backwards, left, right. So we have our simple movement. Now is actually, okay, just making sure if it's typing object. Alright, now what we need to do is we need to make so we can turn, like, to test this camera right now, so we can get it really kind of like See how it says that. But don't delete your lamp. So we're gonna create a whole new one. If L, which is left, is that, we're gonna do that. Player dot, not dot, apply rotation. Then we can the bracket stuff. Oh wait, I think I did a little too many. We can just delete that. Yeah, we gotta delete this one. So make sure it's just like that. Alright, so we're gonna use 0, 0, 7, true. I don't think it really matters. Okay, so we actually did it right, so we're gonna do make this delete. So now we're going left, forwards, backwards, and so we can move, but we can't move right. So let's copy, move R, then move it down, paste, tab, R, and this is going to be negative. So now we got a working look around thing, like your script. Super easy, but it seems a little too fast. So what we can do, we can make, I think we can do S. No, that's too long. Let's just do S. A equals 0.01. Let's see if that works better. S. S. Oh, that's way too. Also, we messed up on something because it's moving. Don't do that. We'll just do it by hand. So 0.09. Let's see if that works out. Doesn't seem too much different. Hold on. Here, let's try 5. Yeah, we'll do 5. 0.05. You can always change it if you don't like that, but you'll see what I mean once you yeah. Alright, so now let's our camera. Alright, so we can see right through it. Shift S, cursor just like in Shift A. Camera, just do RZ270, and then we'll just bring this up. Kind of bring that out, and then we're going to connect this to there. Which, if you don't know how, and since we can't really see if we're moving or not, we are actually going to extend this, or maybe, let's see if I can see it. Yeah, you can see it, but you can't look down and stuff. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna send this maybe a tiny bit more out, and then we're going to F7